Sheikh, I work as a freelancer and I help businesses manage their communication with their customers and automate their tasks. For example, if a business is missing a lot of calls and losing customers, we can build a missed call to text back system which will answer customer queries and then book appointments. We also automate other repetitive tasks of these businesses. In simple word, we help these businesses who are losing their clients by automating their process. My question is, most or all of my clients are non-Muslims. They are in businesses like roofing companies, solar panel companies, landscaping, pressure washing companies. These services are generally halal, but because these business owners are non-Muslim, they will also work for pubs, clubs, banks, or restaurants that serve haram food if they got an offer from them. If I provide my services to them, is my income halal, even if my system might help them close a deal with above mentioned haram clients?
Do you have any direct collaboration with these haram clients? Yes or no?
No.
Khalas. In this case, your business is halal, inshallah.